Okay, chat. Today we got a special occasion. Today my girlfriend is coming for a sleepover nyana. Today I don't have time to greet you. You understand? Today my girl is coming for a sleepover nyana. So we wanna cook something for her, and I think maybe salsa or rice or something. So I wanna do it with you guys. You understand? I wanna show you, and I'm gonna save it while you guys are watching. You understand? So there's a new butcher in the building. This one looks so clean. So let's go check. Look at the sunset. And I'm coming from buying some stuff. I'll show you what's inside here. Yo, I ended up buying. Sub good people, chef press out here. So I guess I showed this video ramatanga kuona vlog back tanga, and then I wanted to finish it in my house chores and chichi, but I didn't remember what I have a Q&A also, which is short. I can't say it's shorter, but you guys you are kuripita my questions reputation ndoyamurikuita the same questions andakambopindura kudhara ndo same questions auramakuita se achingouya. So I decided to shoot a short vlog and then a short Q&A and then combine them so that we'll come up with something which is different nyana and something a bit longer. So the first question was asking Guti Praise, would you ever go back to SA or home is the best? Personally, I don't see myself going back to SA to stay there. If I'm going back to SA, it's just that like I have a bond and SA is like just bond riongo nakis gorera riongo. You understand? But if I am to go back to SA, maybe I'm just going back there to visit my friends, family. I'm just going there to have good time. Because like SA is very good. Like I don't wanna lie. For fun, SA is very dope. I don't wanna lie. So maybe I'll be just going back there for funny, for vacation. Yeah, especially for vacation. The other Amari, I should go back to SA for vacation to see my friends in Yana, Table Mountain, the beach, blah 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 stuff. You know, Zimbabwe is a landlocked country. There's no beaches here. There's just beaches, but there's no beaches. You know what I'm saying? Did you get what I'm saying? There's just beaches, but there's no beaches. Did you get it? You did in the slow. So I guess yeah. So I don't see myself going back to SA to stay there. Maybe another country, Nyana. I mean, but I think home is the best. Singaziyo kuna diaspora. Kana matumboti malingi kweko kutombono shondo zichokwadi mukutambure kana. But I don't see myself going back to SA. Maybe trying another countries like nyika zinakuandura kuna na Canada, kuna na New Zealand, kuna na I mean German, UK maybe it will be my last option. Europe ndingangoti maybe UK, but people that are complaining tongoti UK, but people that are complaining zvimwe sana Dubai, people that are saying vari kushanda, they are suffering, there's long shifts, blah 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 blah. So yeah, I would never see myself, that is a question, but I would never see myself going back to stay there. I don't know, maybe I can't say, I don't know, but for now home is the best. Just that home akuna mari, but I think home is the best. I don't know, man. So yeah, let's go to the next question. Okay, so guys, now tap a second question. The second question was asking, when are you planning to get married? You guys, it's like 20 people don't but anyways, let me answer you. I don't see myself getting married anytime soon. But yeah, I can't say the exact year or the exact date is, but yeah, when the time is right, man. When the time is right, I feel like I need to be more financially stable. I can't say I'm not financially stable. I am. Is your go answer with I'm doing this and that. But when it comes to, I feel like when it comes to take care of 3 people, it's like a very big decision. You understand? And yeah, I wanna lie, man. Imagine coming back at home from work, and then unotana kalitowa ndakatongomirira kuti handakubasa kwandiri kuenda, ndakatomirira iwewe ndokundifidha, and then same as mukadzi wako akatomirira iwewe kuti ndira kutofidwa newe. Bills, rent, groceries. I feel like I need to be more financially stable. Makangona ndarora, it's there when financial stable. You understand? Yeah. So when I'm financially stable, that's when that's what I say. But ini no achona futa ndizwisike, ndine confusion. Unongona mangwana pakato upload vlog rakanzi our lobola day. Utosha kuti what up with this nigga? What's up? What's popping? What's happening? What's good? You understand? So yeah, I don't know, man. But yeah, it might be soon or later. But yeah, I feel like ndasvika stage yekuti ndokwanisa kuroora. Yeah, I feel like ndosvika stage yekuti ndofanira sei kuroora, but I just need to be a bit more financially stable so that handiunze chipuka panyika uzochitambudza kuunza kamwana kuti zvinhu zvatakatadza kuti vabereki vedu, I feel like ndofana kuzvitonga, because I feel like vabereki vedu vakatoroorana pamwe vasada financially stable, because if they were etikudriva mabhima so tiringokuza nemabenzi life itisimbonana ndidekwasi that's what YouTube tesitomboinezvo. But I feel like mwana wangu he or she deserves better than life andakaona ndiri yetu mani. I feel like anofana kurarama life andaishuvireni. So kandaona kuti now I'm a bit financially stable, and then I'll consider to marry nyana. Answered right. So I guess let's go to the next question. Okay, so I had to end up the next question. So the next question was like, do you have a girlfriend yet? The most asked question. Yes, I have a girlfriend yet. Yes, aripo, varipo, my move. So I guess I feel like this is the most asked question. Nyamskana deny aripo. And muchamuona soon, muchamuzia soon, though it might take longer for you to know your face. You understand? But I think it's high time I should introduce you to this channel. But I feel like it's high time I should introduce your body to this channel, or your goats. What do you call goats in English? Yeah, I mean, your goatee. Yeah, I feel like it's high time you should see a goatee and their body. Because you people, if I show you face, you people, we are bait takers. But you people, I feel like not now, man. I feel like all the couples that are doing content, they are just doing the same content whereby I feel like if I don't show you your face yet, the content is gonna be unique. Every time I post a video, you'll be expecting to see a face, and the time that I will show you your face, it will be something different. I mean, I feel like, I will show you, but not your face. I mean, it should make a sense. But I feel like the content, it should be unique. We can't be knowing my face or my channels. And I feel like the farombe that was unique. Tienda takadaro chifamba zvakadaro 2 times ekuzoziva face dzakwana, but aripo mchamuona maimanjezva mazuva tapede zvakadaka. Get me to 12,000 and then I'll show you. If you get me to 12,000, I will show you. Like, definitely I'll show you. 12,000. Now we are on our way to 12,000. I think we are on 11 point something. If you get me to 12,000, I will show you. Let's get to the next question. Okay, pane question, I mean, because the question you cannot ichi yangakanzanzi anyway is because please note that phone yandu kushandisa kurecord ndo phone ine ma questions. So munhu ati is a content creator and he needs advice from me. Guys, there's no any advice that I can give you. Advice if you're a content creator, there's no ways yawachaita kuti praise. All right, let me start by telling you this. To those content creators that are coming in my inbox, especially WhatsApp, ignore. Please, but I always address this each and every day or each and every time I post a video. You see us getting numbers sometimes. It's not like it's because we are famous. We are not famous. We are hardworking and we are consistent. Mushonga wekugrow pa YouTube or mushonga wekuzikana on YouTube is consistent. Kudropa. I won't celeb yet. You're not a celeb. Drop. Sometimes I drop even 2 times a day. You understand? It's because in drought celeb. You understand? So advice nakakupe, if you push you grow. Mushonga wekugrow pa YouTube kupusha. Awufowa grow netopowa mahenda ausana praise once guys ene mo subscribe ku YouTube kwaningirigini guys so no grow sezo. Chinoku grow is kupusha. You understand? Pushing. Sometimes ndakatozomira zvekumakita machannels because I was now facing a challenge yekuti munhu abhadhara mari yake kuti praise promote me. Ndaudza vanhu vangu go and follow this channel and then wosvika unoona kuti munhu akapedzisa kudropa last year but one. Like they can't subscribe just because vatongwa na praise. You should post content convince munhu kuti is it worth it to leave my sub here, to add my sub. You can't just want me kuti munhu hanzi praise ndisise ku 1000 nokusisa ku 1000 ndinopengera andipenge waupenge shanda usvike wega ku 1k shanda usvike wega ku 2k because there's no way that I can make you grow, guys. I don't want to lie. Pushing is the only way that's going to make you grow. That's the same way that is making me grow. So which means you're lazy. You want me to work for you. I can't work for you because of money. That's why makona andichapusha machannels. There's no ways. Pane kumwe kuda mari kakuri kuzvikwadza career nekuzvikwadza musana just because urongopusha vanhu. Ndakatozomira kupusha vanhu because people they are lazy. They think someone can make you grow. Chinototi grow ikupusha nekuposta content nemusoro. Quality videos, as you can see this video, the quality. Look for a better camera, even iPhone 6. Yeah, I would recommend iPhone or my Samsung monitor. You understand? Apana kwenye creator need to grow. You know how to grow and you not grow is push. You understand? Pusha, ugo pusha. Those guys no grow is so yeah guys, I think ndataura vanhu vari kuuya kuinbox kwangu vachiti praise ndakupushwa handichapushe vanhu zvipushe. We have sleepless nights. Even if you text me even now 1 AM I will be awake ndichiposta ndichiedita ndichifunga ndichikwenya dzoro rangu asana vhudzi pakati kana kugotsi kuno kwangu kusina vhudzi nekukwenya content ideas and then you just come ndikupushe. Uye munhu atora nyaya dzanto ndipushe mahara chaichaiwo ndichiramba vemari kutondokumbirawo. Do you wanna give shame me? I don't feel bad kukudzora ndisikuda. I can't push you. Akusi kuganza but work hard. Pusha zvandiri kuita tinosvika. So that's the advice yandingape kuma-content creators. Usabva wainbox waona macelebra kana vanhu vane manumbers vanonga vachiinbox vachiti ndiri kumboposta channel yangu vakaramba. Don't feel bad. Zvavari tokuita ndizvozvo havangapota vachikupa fish. They are teaching you how to get the fish. Vari kudzidzisa kurara fish kwete kukupa fish. So kudzidzisa kurara fish kwandakaiteka isachiraura mvura. Raura chero ukasabata ramba uchiraura kwete kukupa magwaya ndabata ndiri kutokuvhiringa. So that's why I stopped pushing people. Now I'm looking for brands. If there are brands vanoda kushanda neni, I don't work necommissions kuti anzi tsvaka macustomers. I don't do that. Handidaro. If you have a shop or a hembe, that's why mamwe mabrands machine ndikumadecline because vari kuti tiri kupaka percentage kako kana handisiri hana. I'm a brand. Praise makara tori brand ratozvimira but akatosva 10k navanhu I'm now a brand. So if you want me to work with you, if you want me to work with a brand, I will charge you a certain amount yandoda. And then kana uchiwirana nazvo and then we work together for certain time atawirana certain period atawirana kuti contract yedu yakareba zvikara sei. I don't work with commission kunzi wakatengesa hembe 2 and then tokupa t-shirt. Handidaro. Katokupoka mari handidaro. Handidi zvese zvoda mari. I just want some money. Awaisa paside yoyo. Yes. Mari awaisa paside ndo yandiri kuda. Because this is a brand rakashandirwa riri kutoshandirwa kuti grow. So sometimes brand owners you bring us down nekuwotidzikisira ma-content creators muda kutipa peanuts just because he just got 10k. Dzinoshandirwa usiku hwese dzishandirwa. So content creators, let's push. That's the only advice that I can give you young men. Let's get to the next question. And then pane next question panavunza kuti do you perhaps know the way ekufambisa anzi arikuvunza kuti unoziva kuti mapepa ekutenga mota muZimbabwe anofambiswa sei. I wanna lie, I don't know. I've never bought a car in Zimbabwe. I don't know. And ziya hangu ndinganyepa ndidi kupa munhu information kunyepa. And then the same person asked, do you rent a car here for InDrive? Yes, I was renting a car for InDrive and then it crashed. So currently nanambomira zvangu kuita se kuita InDrive. Currently I was focusing on something and then I need to travel somewhere. So yeah, after that's okay, go. I will be starting again to look for a car to rent for InDrive. So Timna August, September, let's say September. So if you have a nice hybrid car, September, he is a professional driver for you all. Do you understand? Yes, a pro driver. So yeah guys, let's get to the next question and see what's happening and what's happening. Okay, Mungwati anzi e-returning residents, which car would you recommend for InDrive? Any hybrid cars, any fuel savers, 1.1 liter from Tangoti from maliters is at below 1.5. Yeah, all maliters are below 1.5. My fuel saver and kunya hybrid. And then Mungwatans in that majirax samar patronas. I mean, and this year in both Marajan Rupesha, but we just mind drive was my tax shop and those with Samari. There's my canteen, my butcher. But yeah, those with Samari was my InDrive, those are those so far. But I mean, yeah, if you are an owner, if you invest in InDrive, no Maria or no two. But yeah, no, and the information I can because and Sadanya Sopido Masses. In any usual, I just do my content trip office. This is my office in. Yeah, but I will get the information for you guys. I don't know exactly with some and then I will make a different video for it. So yeah, let's go to the next question. And then Banimana Vunza 2 more questions. Same person. The first question, Atanzi, what is the highest amount that you've made on a YouTube video? Sorry, unfortunately, I can't answer that. Like, even you, if you're asking some of the questions that you ask, guys, you should know. Umafanira kuona megoti hazvibvunzwe zvafana nemunhu kana kuvhunza munhu do you have HIV haakupinduri, but some of the questions they are confidential ndizvo here, or some of the questions haapinduri zvafa already. If I ask you how much do you get paid at your work, it's like asking my salary. Mama questions haabvunzwe and haapinduriki, so I can't answer that how much ndakagadzira pavideo, because ndakakudza kuti the most paid video rangu rine mari, waakuziva ndikutambira mari, waakutokalkulata kuti saka kana munhu achiposta kana 5 videos, kana most video rake rabharwa 1000 saka arikuwana roughly 6000 kana. I can't answer that because hazvina basa newe, ingatibvunzei zvimwe zvimwe. And then you ask again with what happened between you and the ex wandakarambana naye I think 1 year ago. Guys, you guys watch my videos. I think you should go and check out some videos. That's why I make videos for you guys. Kuti my questions, you have to get full explanation. We can't be doing repetition for people that are skimming the video. Sorry, unfortunately, but you should not skip videos if you want information. So all the information or everything that happens in my life, I've always posted here. So go and check out why did you break up with my ex. No one video or report by YouTube. We can't be repeating, doing repetition. Kune vanhu vari consistent nechannel vanoona every day, every video. So tikaramba tichadzokodza nyaya 1 zvopedza zvakwapo, and they end up skipping the video vachizonzoti kuramba tichidzokodza nyaya 1. That's why you see kuti vanhu vakawanda vakasenda questions andakupindura ese. Uchatoona kuti questions amakasenda, if you are watching this kana wakasenda question wakatonasana kuipindura, ziya kuti wa repeat a question yakambobvunzwa. Go and check it out pama Q&A, and ama Q&A akawanda. I think ndakaita Q&A 3 months ago, and then my questions angoiwa and angovhunzwa yakanzi Q&A, do I have a girlfriend? I think ndotete ndakaisera, and then arikuvhunza kuti musikana, go and check out pandakama ndizana ndakuda ku South Africa pane akatonzi why did I break up with my ex, the truth asukanganza. Go and check out those videos. We can't be repeating videos, unfortunately. I'm sorry. Let's go to the next question. So guys, ndakuita chingojamba because my questions acho zvakatora akafanana. Ndine about 30 people wavhunza wakawanda. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Guys, does it matter? I'm older enough. Unfortunately, there's some information I think I would say, because I feel like as content creators, we give you everything about our lives. But I feel like there's going to keep it private, like our age, our family, there's we don't have to give you everything. Like especially more info about me. I feel like as a content creator, you don't have to put yourself at risk. Yes, about you. And I feel like you have to know as time goes on. You can't just know everything. As a content creator, I have to give you some. So, how old are you? Question and I feel like I'm not answering you now. I'm not going to answer it in time soon. I'm going to answer it but a very big birthday party. I'm not going to repeat. But how old are you? Question and I'm sorry, I'm not going to answer it in time soon. But just know I'm in my 20s. My 20s in now. You understand? Unfortunately, guys, I'm sorry. I can't answer it. I can't. Keep on assuming. Let's get it. The other question, would you move back to SA, and why? I won't, and I will never move back to SA because people that are struggling there. There's no money. There's now a lack of employment. There's racism. That place is danger. It's dangerous. That place is not safe at all. There's depression over there, and there's poverty. It's better to be poor if you're in Zim than to suffer in foreign lands. I answered you right? Yes. And when is your car coming back? I don't know. The insurance in Zimbabwe, they take their time to do their things. So they're still fixing it there. And then let's go to the last 2 questions because I'm tired, guys. Let's go to the last 2 questions. And then the other question, this other capans, would you charge to boost our channel to get to 1,000? I think I explained before. I'm no longer doing that. I'm no longer promoting channels, unfortunately. So I would advise you to post. People, they will know you. Guys, do you believe there's no one to promote my channels? So I'm going to like football, go to when we were making content takangoenda futi padhuze nevanhu vangova nemanambers zvavo, the likes of Kim and Tanaka. But also we can't say they were boosting our channels. He always told me, bro, push your channel unosvika. There's no ways yaungagrow inoda kwekuti anzi Tanaka ati nemusubscriber uchanenge kwapraise. Hazvi kugrow sezvozvo. We grew our channels through kupusha tega, kupusha. So I would advise you to push. People, they will know you. Push and push. People, they will definitely know you. You can't grow nekuda kwemumwe munhu. I wanna lie. So zvinouraya channel yako. Ko inini vanhu vangu vachona vakatanga vasatifarira. Ositanga kufarira vanhu vangu vabva kwandiri ositanga kufarira unoti havachafarira inini. Ko ndakatanga kuita madrama. Do you think it's gonna be good for a brand kuti akagroweswa napraise alikisa manudzi? You see, just build your own audience. You see, that's the advice that I can give you. I'm no longer growing channels, and I don't advise you to approach any content creator with a growth channel. Push. You can push Mara and grow yourself Mara. Yes, let's go to the last question. Okay, guys, the last question. Answer what helped you to grow your channel in the most beginning? Consistent, hardworking, like pusher, like shanda. And at first I was doing blogging. Blogging, there are 1,000 subscribers. Blogging, if you know blogging or social commentary, I push a social commentary, I think that's about 2,000 subscribers. And then I later found out that this is not good for my brand. And then I dropped it. But at least not monetized. But I started pushing vlogs. I drop my vlogs. And then and then I saw a lot of content creators, they're trying to move from blogging to vlogging. Bruh, I feel like but if you are now monetized and now from blogging to vlogging, my numbers are going to drop, and then you no longer make money. I feel like it's gonna be hard. But what I can tell you is, if you check at 100 subscribers, there's 100,000 subscribers, they're blogging. You can never be better than Muno and 2K subscribers they're vlogging. Muno anima subscribers they're vlogging is way much better than Muno anima subscribers they're blogging. That's the sad truth. So I see a lot of content creators, they are trying to come back to blogging, to vlogging. Okay, those who don't know the difference between blogging and vlogging. Vlogging is like vlogging your personal life, my vlogs are talk. Then blogging is like social commentary. You go blogger. So if you build your audience through blogging, it's gonna be hard for you to come back to vlogging. So if you know good without a chef vlogging, it's better for you to back off. Kudzoka. Is it backing off? Kugara watozviita pachine nguva and kutombostambira kuti for the 5 months chateerezi nichambenga ndichiita ma 30 views kusvika vanhu vazokujaira, you for sure get another banger and then zvienda zvakadaro. So chakanyagurwa chane yangu pekutanga is blogging. But I don't advise you to do it kana udozodzoka kuvlogging. If you want to focus on vlogging, keep on doing vlogging. Approach ChatGPT, ivhunze my best titles. Zvinoita kuti ugrowe munhu title. You can see kuti mumwe munhu ane 200 subscribers ane video rine million views. You don't need to be famous to get million views. Kuti makaita go across it, makaita manyazoita go deeper into YouTube, kana munhu anonyatsoita pa YouTube, if you're a content creator, unoona kuti pane vanhu vane kana 1k followers, 1k subscribers, and a video ringana 10 million views. You'll be shocked. What the? Shafamba say it's because of the title, it's because of the videos. No videos to do, no titles to put, no thumbnails to put also. So you guys, I beg guys, thank you for watching the video today. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. So I think we've come to the end of the video. If you want more of this, just let me know. Let me know down in the comment section, and we'll keep on giving you. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Without any further ado, let's get it.